How to clear search history on Pinterest. First of all, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. You can search for pins, boards, or people from here. You can also view and explore the suggestions below. Tap on the search bar. As you can see, you can now view all your search history below. Tap on the close icon beside the searches you want to remove. If you want to remove all the searches, then tap on the close icon beside all of them. You have now successfully cleared your search history. Note that you can't undo it. Tap on the search bar again. You will no longer be able to see the search history. Following these steps, you can easily clear search history on Pinterest.